Today, let us see Shanghai Urban Premium Barbecue. There are 3 PCS of SICAO's dual-door dryers. After 15 days wet-aged, chef will take out the meat. Firstly, use the kitchen paper to absorb the surface. Secondly, cut the breast in different thicknesses. The beef is much tender after aging. The beef exhibits distinct marbling. Plate it up and enjoy your grilled meat. With SICAO Dry Ager, you can have wet-aged and dry-aged different meats very simply. Welcome to contact us for more details.
Talk to me. Can't get your tongue when we're talking about